In this equilibrium problem, we're given initial amounts of two reagents in atmospheres and a value K. First step is to do an ice table with our initial amounts of our reagents. And we don't have any products. We're going to lose 3x, lose x, and here we're going to gain 2x. Equilibrium is the initial plus the change. And we can set up our equilibrium constant expression. It's going to be the pressure of NH3 squared divided by the pressure of H2 to the third multiplied by the pressure of N2. We'll make our substitutions. Kp, which is 0.00043, is going to equal PNH2 squared. So that's 2x quantity squared. In the denominator, we have 1.5 minus 3x multiplied by 1.9 minus x. When we solve for x, we're going to have to use the quadratic equation because this will result in a binomial unless we can make the approximation. So let's test. All right, so we're going to compare 1,000 times k, which is going to be 0.43, to our initial concentrations. We look at our initial concentrations, 0.43, okay, it's going to compare favorably to both of these. So 1,000 times k is less than our initial concentrations, so our approximation is okay. That means that we can treat the value here, 1.5 minus 3x, as just 1.5, and 1.9 minus x is just 1.9. So this is going to save us some calculations. So essentially, these values here are 0 compared to these initial values. All right, so we multiply all these numbers together, we get this. And to continue, we cross multiply. So here times here is equal to here times here. All right, and we've stepped through some algebra steps. And so to solve for x squared, now to get to x, we take the square root of each side. And we'd have our value for x as 0.026255. Okay, carrying ridiculous amounts of extra sig figs just to be safe. Okay, and now finally that we have x, we go back and answer the question. The question is to determine the equilibrium partial pressure of NH3. Looking at our table, we see the pressure of NH3 at equilibrium is equal to 2x. It equals 2 times 0.026255. We see our pressure of NH3 at equilibrium equal to 0.052 2511 with 2 sig figs is 0.053 atmospheres.